Today, I'm going to take you on a safari. No, not that kind of safari. A Midwest safari. One of my favorite parts about storm chasing is our encounters with wildlife, especially wildlife that we don't normally see back in California. Being on the hunt for animals like armadillos, porcupines, turtles, and most importantly, pigs is a daily adventure when we're out roaming around Tornado Alley. So buckle up because we're about to go hunting for all of our favorite Midwest animals. Now let's open up this field guide and have a look-see. Reptiles are a good place to start. Ooh, snakes. Okay, the two big questions are, will we even get to see a snake? And will it be alive or dead? More often than not, it is dead. His mouth is open. Yeah. You sure he's dead?
He's like he's got blood on it.
It looks like he has a hole in him, like somebody stabbed him or
bird
something.
hacked him. Oh, yeah.
Is he alive? There's a fly on him. I don't think he is.
Gotta poke him with something.
I think he's not. Oh, I can see his guts coming out right here. He's not. Yeah. Oh, snake number 3. How sad. He has blood coming out of his mouth. I think we found our first live snake, maybe?
Is he alive? He's dead, isn't he?
Oh, he's dead. His little mouth is open. We even have a snake chant to lure the snakes out. Now, this special snake chant has given us a guaranteed success rate of 0%.
We're gonna see a 4-foot-long rattlesnake. We're gonna see a 4-foot-long rattlesnake. Gonna see a 4-foot-long rattlesnake. Gonna see a 4-foot-long rattlesnake. One more time. Gonna see a 4-foot-long rattlesnake.
Sometimes we're so desperate to see a snake, we even hallucinate seeing them.
We got these clouds blowing in here, right up here. Like here's one coming towards us.
Rattling?
Rattlesnake? They're prairie rattlers.
Did you hear that?
No.
I heard it.
Okay. Well,
Uh-oh.
throw something over there again. Maybe we'll see one. Anyways, maybe we'll see a rattlesnake too.
Yeah,
super cool.
stuff.
These clouds are starting to billow up a little bit more, so we think this might be a really good spot, right, guys?
Is that a bug or a rattle?
Well, if it's a rattle, I want to get him.
Do you hear it? Yeah, me too.
I'm more fascinated by the rattle.
Yeah, I know. It's in the clouds of
rattle. It's coming from right over here.
It's like right in this
It's like
Yeah.
Okay, we're trying to see if what we're hearing is rattlesnakes or if they're just bugs communicating with each other, but it sounds like rattles. Brittany just broke our rattlesnake stick.
Okay, let me. Where did you hear the rattle?
It was right there, but I hear one over there. No, I think it's bugs.
Can you pull up next to him?
That's
not a snake.
Damn it, Brittany.
What? Gosh dang it, it's an old signpost. Okay, it totally looks like one.
That did look like a snake.
The disappointment after that one was palpable. And sometimes when we're looking for snakes, we encounter other animals we didn't intend to see, like this pack of donkeys.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh, we're snake hunting right now in this pack of
Look,
donkeys.
look, there's more.
Oh my gosh. Alyssa had her window rolled down. Oh my gosh. To get pictures of them, and they stuck their heads in our car windows.
They're
following
us. I can't see what's going on.
Sorry, they're following us off the road. Yeah, there's like 9 donkeys.
Okay.
Now, we did strike gold once. It was a magical, warm, windy night in Nebraska, and we ran into one live bull snake after another, including mating snakes. Now that is not Geo level.
Okay, this is crazy. No, it's 2 bull snakes. What are they doing now? They're mating. They're mating? Oh my gosh. What the hell? Wow. Ew, look at their tails. They're like pink.
Did you guys get a video of them?
Yeah, I got a little.
Okay, let's see what other reptiles. Oh, the musk turtle. Sick. We try to be do-gooders and get him off the street, and in return, we were met with his Musk.
Oh, he's so cute.
Are these the ones that carry salmonella? What's that stuff?
I don't know.
dripping off?
Oh shit! Is he pissing? Oh, he.
No,
Oh,
he's just.
oh my gosh, he stinks.
Oh, he smells.
Dad, you smell like old fruit.
What
happened to the turtle?
It was like a turd with legs.
What happened? We
Did he
saw
secrete
dark
something?
brown stuff
I
dripping
watched him.
off
I
his
thought, oh,
shell.
he's just peeing, right? And then suddenly I got a waft of that, and it was like heavy. It was like
old
concentrated
trash.
outhouse. It was awful.
Do you think that his shell gets moldy because it gets wet?
I don't know,
or do you
but
think
we need to look that up. Do turtles have a defense mechanism? That was crazy.
Okay, one last reptile. The Texas horned lizard. What a fun find at our campground bathroom. We were super excited and weirdly scared that he would jump on us. Texas horned toad. He's hiding back there.
Yeah, he needs to come out of the bathroom.
We need to let him free.
We're actually rescuing him right now.
buddy.
Come on, little guy. You're going to be so much happier.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. No.
What are you trying to do?
He's going up in the corner.
Oh, he's gonna get eaten by
Yeah, I don't want you to get bit by a black one. Here you go. Come on, little guy.
Watch him go.
There you go. Got it? Come on. No.
Right out the door.
He's cute.
You're almost there.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, shit! I like how he walks.
Yeah, he's
He like
very
prances.
good.
It's adorable.
I don't know
Go
exactly
outside.
what
Why
they
would you go outside?
do. Like
Little
half
guy.
lizard, half toad.
There he
you go.
is. Hi, buddy. He's so cute.
Okay, don't even think about it, mister. You stay out.
Oh, shit.
No, they're harmless. They're
I don't
harmless.
care.
You don't try to paper
Okay, there, easy.
Oh my goodness, get your
No.
Let's segue from reptiles to amphibians. We love finding toads at night and assisting them off the road and into the grass. And if you speak to them like a dog, they will listen.
We are driving to Lubbock, Texas, and we found a toad.
A toad in the middle of the road.
Where's that, a rock? Wow, he's huge. Hi, little guy. Yeah, get off the road. We don't want you to get killed.
Look at him reared up. What the heck
Can
is
I
he doing?
shoot him off? He's hissing at you?
Oh my freaking gosh.
This bullfrog. Oh, there he goes. Come on, mister. He was hissing at me. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Good boy.
They puff up. They're funny.
Did it hiss?
No, but he was puffed up. Oh, there's another one. These little buggers.
How about we move on to some mammals? We can start with something basic like this pack of elk.
Look at that fuzzy antler.
Are you taking a photo?
Okay, you guys better go.
Yeah. They're really cool. Cow.
Wow, he only has one antler.
What? Oh my gosh, his butt is right in my camera.
I want to get a picture of the one with one
this is
antler.
Wow, that's so cool. Is it just me, or does anybody else always think of ticks whenever they see deer and elk? Ugh. Okay, what's next? Ooh, the armadillo. That wonderful armored leprosy-carrying animal. Now, we see these quite a bit when they're roadkill. We did get lucky once, though, and spot a live one in Texas at our campground.
Wow.
It's an armadillo.
Look at his tail. He's really Oh, now he's getting scared. Oh, he's like made out of leather. He looks like he's doing a leather show.
All right, so our first real armadillo.
Yes, a live armadillo.
Really wanted to see a live one.
Okay, another strange mammal that is also a large rodent is the porcupine. We thought we had stumbled across Tina Turner's wig having a snack on the grass at our campground, but it was just a porcupine.
Okay, I think we're approaching a porcupine right now. Gonna come find out. You sure that's not like a skunk? Or is that a dillo? No, it's furry. Wow, he's adorable. See, he's getting prickly. He's getting prickly. Oh, look, his butt's going up. Is this for sure a porcupine? Or is he some kind of rodent? Why is he so comfortable with humans? I don't know. Maybe because he has dot eyes. Maybe he can't really see that well.
Speaking of rodents... not that one. This one. A rare, unidentifiable rodent weasel-like animal spotted at a gas station parking lot.
Okay, we think we found a weasel. I don't know what it is. It doesn't look like a squirrel. It's not moving. Oh, you guys, I think that... No, that's an animal. No. Oh. I think it's a dirt clod. Pretty sure it's a dirt clod.
Wild one.
Okay, it looks like a freaking animal. Oh my gosh, it's a weasel.
It's a chunk of the sidewalk came off and pushed the dirt up.
Okay, wow, look at this ring. That's our weasel.
Well, here. That's our weasel right there.
Okay, from a distance, with the scared rain next to my bad vision, it looked like a weasel with a long neck. We're like, it's not moving.
Just kidding. Okay, how about bugs? Oh, fireflies. We love finding open, dark fields and just parking and looking, waiting to catch a glimpse of these flashing bugs. Ooh, and look at this shiny emerald green beetle. Thought it looked like a dung beetle, but apparently he's just a caterpillar killer.
There he is. Get him, get him.
Woo, come on. There he is.
He's
there are
like,
these big beetles here.
we call them the Oklahoma dung beetles.
Is that what they are?
I don't know.
They're big. They're really pretty, actually.
Another super exciting bug that we came across was this huge tarantula. I've always wanted to see one of these, preferably in the desert, but Texas Hill Country will do.
This is a first. Oh my gosh. There's a tarantula. A huge tarantula. Look at that. I've never seen one in the wild before. That is crazy. He just like escaped death. He almost got hit twice. Wow.
Man, that thing is massive.
I know. Wow. Look at him go. Holy crap. Wow.
Okay, wow. Here's something rather exotic, a Portuguese Banana war. These were laying all over the beach in Corpus Christi when we had camped there.
Okay, we have come across a Japanese or a Portuguese Banana war.
Oh, is he moving?
Is he moving?
No. Oh, he's really gooey.
What if his juice flies on him?
I don't know. Look at that. That's a stinging tentacle.
Yeah. And he's trying to save him, even though he's probably dead. Okay, we found another live one. He's like
Just not the wind.
no, Dad, he breathed. He wants to go back, Dad.
Let's see if I can get him. On a stick. I'm after. Oh no!
Come on, buddy, go out to sea.
Look, he inflated.
Oh.
Look, that's so cool.
He came back onto shore. He has a really long tentacle hanging down. Did it touch you, Dad?
No.
Oh.
I think if it touched me,
So we gotta find like some kind of area where he can go and not come back to shore.
Ah! Sorry.
Maybe you should chuck the stick with him. Maybe that will help you go farther.
Now, I've saved the best for last. We're going to go back to the mammals section and go pig hunting. Apparently, there is a big pig problem in Texas, and yet we rarely see them. So it's a joyous celebration when we do have a sighting. We're constantly on the lookout for them, especially when we're surrounded by what we call pig brush.
We were just talking about how this is like major pig country, and we just saw a freaking
He's already in the
pig
brush.
cross the road. I know, but there might be another one. Or maybe we can see it.
Oh, maybe he's like, he went right in here, I think. I feel like he was in here.
Further, no, he was further up.
No, he was right here.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta look for, he's already in the brush. Oh, there he goes!
Oh,
He's running!
Peccary!
Oh, he's running.
Peccary!
Yeah.
He's running.
Did you get the running pig?
I don't know if I got him.
Oh,
There he is! I see him! I see him! I saw him
through the
but
brush.
I see him through the brush.
Okay, maybe a minute.
I see him
Oh
through
shit,
the
we got a car coming. Okay, look for the
You
pig.
guys, I think he came out from this oil dig. I think he did too.
Oh my gosh. That was great.
That, you guys,
Just talking about the pig brush.
Hey, you can pee right there.
no, not by the pigs. What if the pigs attack? Aren't they violent?
Yeah.
They're bouncing like pigs. Okay. Those little brown dots in the field are pigs. Okay.
They're trotting.
They're running, yeah, they're trotting. They've got a real bounce. Brown pigs. I don't know, they probably ran way in the field now.
Right here.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute.
That pig? There's
Oh my
3
gosh,
pigs.
how
That pig?
cute.
That pig?
Yeah, oh, that one's a little.
So dark.
That one's, okay, they're running away. I think we
They're running. Okay, made him nervous.
get a good look at them.
3 live pigs. That means 6 live pigs today. Oh, there's the one. He's like running back there. Okay, he's gone. That was really, they were cutting through the barbed wire fence. I don't know how they did that.
We should have gone out there.
They must have tough skin. Dang.
Okay.
That was like 10 pigs.
Did they run out of the road?
No, they walked orderly like they were marching.
They walked orderly.
Okay, that was crazy.
Which way did they go, left or right?
Yeah, they went right here. There was like 10 of them. It was a total herd. Right in here. They went right here.
Well, that brings us to the end of our Midwest safari. I hope you enjoyed all the wonderful creatures of Tornado Alley. If you want to see more storm chasing videos, you can check out my storm chasing series. And if you want to see more animals, you can check out my road trip around Africa series, where you can see what a real safari is like. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.